In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a man named David. David was known for his quiet determination and unwavering work ethic. He had a simple dream to open a bakery that would bring joy to his community through delicious pastries and warm smiles. David didn't come from a family of bakers, and he didn't have much money to start his business. But what he did have was a heart full of passion and a willingness to learn. He spent countless hours studying recipes, experimenting in his makeshift kitchen, and seeking advice from experienced bakers. After years of diligent practice, David finally mustered the courage to open his bakery. The grand opening was a humble affair, but the aroma of freshly baked bread and the warmth of David's smile drew people in. At first, business was slow. David faced challenges he hadn't anticipated: long hours, tight budgets, and the uncertainty of a new venture. But he never wavered. Instead, he worked harder than ever before. David's dedication began to pay off. His pastries became renowned for their quality and flavor. Customers traveled from neighboring towns just to savor his creations. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, David's bakery was bustling with customers from near and far. As the years passed, David's success continued to grow. He expanded his menu, hired a small team, and even started offering baking classes to share his knowledge and passion with others. His bakery became a cornerstone of the community, a place where friendships were forged over a cup of coffee and a warm croissant. But amidst all the success, David never forgot his roots. He remained humble and grateful for every customer who walked through his door. He knew that his journey was a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and a deep love for what you do. David's story is a reminder that success is not always about starting with the most resources or having the most advantages. It's about having a dream, working tirelessly to make it a reality, and staying true to your passion even when faced with challenges. So, the next time you face a daunting task or encounter an obstacle on your path to success, remember David's story. Let it inspire you to persevere, work hard, and never lose sight of your dreams. Because with dedication and unwavering belief, you too can turn your dreams into a beautiful reality.